Hello my friends, how are you guys doing today? Hope you are doing well. Today we're doing Travelers notebook. I do have two of them because they're going to be relatively quick, and they are the ones that I'm going to, it's going to go into my color cast, I believe is where I got that from. Once I'm done, these are some of the pages that I've done. Anyway, moving right along. So anyway, one weekend I got this notion that I needed to make boiled peanuts, so I did. I don't know if you guys, where you're from or whatnot, but here in the South, it's a thing, and I like them. They're tasty. It's a lot easier to just buy them though, in all honesty. I do have you guys zoomed in because I wanted you guys to be able to see a little bit better. Mostly everything is Citrus Twist. I do have a few little things on the other page that are not Citrus Twist. You'll see in just a minute. Or two. And this is all from past kits. Nothing is new. One thing I was wanting to try and do with this particular couple pages was to keep it relatively flat, which, if you've seen any of my past ones, you would know will be a challenge. So we shall see. All right, so how are we gonna do this? Because this is, where are my tweezers at? Oh, turned upside down. Now, if you guys, again, have ever seen any of my videos, you know I don't hinge on my letters being straight. If they are, kudos. If they are not, so be it. There are very few layouts I've ever felt like I needed them to be completely straight on, and this is not one of them. I don't know, I feel like you can waste so much time on just trying to make sure that they're straight that I'll lose interest and maybe not finish the project or just get annoyed with it or something. I don't know. So I was like, you know what, it's mine, and it doesn't look bad wonky. Anyway, I do need to bring some pink into this side. I have a few stickers off to the side over here. I kind of like it right there. And I think I got enough words on this side. So I'm going to put Nuvo drops on there in a moment, but we already know I can't handle it all at one time. So that's the first one. I also made some muffins that weekend. These are chocolate banana and these are blueberry and banana. I have 4 children, so there was a little bit for everybody. Some liked one, some liked the other, and that's normally how it goes in my house. You can't please everybody, so that's good. Anywho, I don't even remember what made me look up these recipes, but they were delish. Let's see. Now I want to cover up the date and the location because I don't know either one of them. I do have, I can trim that edge off there. I've got my, oops, yummy, oh, these are the ones that are not citrus twist. I'm going to pop these down in the end. I just thought it was a cute little pop of color. And these aren't too horribly thick, so... okay. I've had these in my little bucket over here to use up for probably forever now, a year. Oh, I don't want to throw the eye away, the dot on the eye. The tiniest dot in the world. There we go. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get my yummy muffins on there so that hold on, no, okay. I love these alphas, but they are super hard to move. They're not super hard to move, but they are... I should put muffins down first. Let's go this way. It's not going to fit. I was worried about that. Let's see if this will work. Well, shoosk. Okay, that was a little bit more painful than I anticipated. Nonetheless, here we are. And then I got these two stickers that say "We eat good." Oops, sorry. It says "We eat good" and pick out. So, oh, do I want them down here? Okay, cool. All right. Let's pull you guys out so you can see the whole messy desk. And some Nouveau Drop fun. I could use the white ones, but I think the black will be a good accent. Oh, that scared me. I always go towards the bottom and then I scrape my hand right across it. So we're going to turn this. Yes, I'm one of those odd-numbered people. I just think it's more pleasing to the eye. So then I'll just let this sit on my desk probably till Saturday until I can get around to another video. And oh no, oh no, I touched this one over here. Let's see. I guess it'll just be a flat one instead of a, that'll be fine. All right. It's a good thing my nightgown's black today, huh? Because that's where it's getting wiped. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me. Hope you're having a great week. And I hope to see you next time. And I'm hoping to get these cards over here done. That'll be another ephemera pack that I've completed with cards. And also I need to start mailing them out. Anyway, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And don't forget to go get your crafty time in. See you guys next time. Bye.